Hi guys, I'm going to Kerava today as well because, well, first of all, my camera was broken one day. The power LED the power LED was on all the time, and I couldn't see anything in the screen, and I could access the menu and settings, but when I initialized settings, it went all black, and then I let the battery run out of energy, and then when I recharged the battery, my camera started. Is it recording? Yeah. My camera restarted to work again, so it's working now, and I hope that this error condition won't happen again. I hope this camera will work for a long time to come. Another thing I wanted to talk about was the reason. Let me swap hands here. The reason I'm walking, it's a bit windy here, but the reason I'm walking now is I'm walking to Kerava, so the reason for that is that I think I'm suffering from excessive yawning, and I think it's because bad circulation. I need to improve my circulation, and to improve my circulation I need to make changes to my diet, and also make walking as a daily habit, and I hope that will solve the problem of excessive yawning. That's what I'm counting for. Quite fluently, I explained it quite fluently because I thought it through in my head. I kinda now this I haven't thought through, so now I'm struggling, but I kinda practice this whole thing to say. I practiced it so it came out fluently, but yeah, that's all I got to say about my excessive yawning problem, and also the broken camera, which is now, yeah, still recording. I'm going to Kerava. If something pops into my mind, I will tell you about that, and I actually thought that we could let me show you here. That block of flats or apartment block, which is in end of the road. We could reveal the truth about it, so we know which one of the block of flats it is which is showing up from here, which can be seen from here. So when I get closer, we take another look at it. It's now behind a tree. Let's see if I go past those trees, I take another look at the block of flats. I'm now almost there. It is. I keep eye on it, so I think my guess was correct last time, but let's see. Yeah, I think we guessed it right on the first time. Because the another block of flats it's wrong colored. That red one, it's the gray one, which will be seen from distance from end of the road. Yeah, it's definitely this one which can be seen from another end of the road, from my neighborhood. They have pretty good view from upper levels of that block of flats, or from upper apartments of that apartment block. So yeah, now the mystery is revealed. Caravan now. Today I have so less money left on the bank account, so I'm only using contactless payment today, so I'm going to see my bank. It's AMT cash machine or cash dispenser. I'm going to see how much money I have left and go to spend it to Prisma. Prisma is my favorite shop in Kerava, so we are going to spend some money in Prisma. I'm back in home now, and I didn't eat at Kerava because every buffet was so expensive. It's lunchtime, I think that's the reason. So what I did instead was I ordered pizza. Because that's not expensive. Actually it is, but I just saved 50 cents. So that's a big save for me. And now I'm playing Pizza Kung Fu Pizza Hero as I'm waiting for the pizza delivery. So that's all today. Hope to see you soon. Bye.
Get ready.